Hello guys, this is the video is I show you all my girls. This is my all girls that I unlock. All legendary girls I unlock already. This is a very easy to unlock all girls. And almost million of shards. You see? You can see almost million of shards. On my next video, I will show you how to get this one. All of this in the next video, I will show you how. It's very easy, man. It's very easy to unlock all legendary girls using by ordinary girl. And also the energy refill. Check. You can do this almost million also. Thank you for watching.